Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to make infographics that drive traffic. So you want to boost your blog or social media traffic fast. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can actually create a powerful infographic that would attract clicks, shares, and engagement, even if you're not a designer. So, guys, let's get into it. Your first step would be to simply choose a hot topic. So, get on your browser and simply search for either Google Trends, Ahrefs, or Pinterest. They all show trending topics on social media, so you could feed off the trending topics. So, basically, just start by picking a trending topic your audience would likely care about, something around productivity, drama, health tips, digital marketing, or just on the social platforms. And then you can use Google Trends. You could make use of Google Trends or Pinterest to actually see what's getting attention right now. So your infographic should answer one clear question and share quick statistics, basically. Now, another thing you should do is to actually create your infograph. So, you need to create an infograph. What's the best way to go about it? That would be to open up Canva. So, head over to canva.com, make sure you have an account. If you don't have an account, simply use the sign up option on Canva to simply sign up for an account on Canva. Now, once you're here, simply head over to the home section, click on home here, simply click on templates, and we're going to be making use of Canva's library of templates. Now, on this search millions of templates, just go ahead and simply type in something as simple as infographic. So you could just type in infographic using the templates option. Let's type in infographic. Now, once you've searched it, you should just simply pick an infographic template here from the search or the suggested. And then what you do next is to simply pick a ready-made template, customize it using your own text, colors, icons. And if you have a brand color, let's say you work for something like Google, you could make use of a multitude of colors for your infograph. Now, if you work for a one color module like YouTube, you should just use the color red. So those are examples of colors you could make use of if you work for a brand. All right, with that out of the way, make sure you use brand colors and readable fonts. Try to keep your infograph clean, not something as clustered as this, but something more practical like this, and ultimately this. You could just get an infographic that doesn't take away from the news. This is a really good infographic you could actually use. So I do have to mention on Canva we have paid templates. So some templates are under the premium while some templates are free, like these templates here. These are free templates. So now I do have access to Canva Premium, but in this tutorial I'll be making use of any of the free templates I can find that are not clustered. So let's just go ahead and select the template that is free to use and easy to understand for your audience, as you would be posting these templates or infograph to social media. All right, so once you've selected a template, all you need to do now is simply click on customize this template. So when you click on the customize this template option, Canva is going to open your template in a new tab on your computer or on your device. So click on customize this template. So once it opens up on your end, all you need to do is, like I said, make sure if you work for a brand or you're preparing your infograph for your brand, make sure it matches your brand colors. And also the text within the template should be customized and changed to simply fit with what you're trying to give out to your audience on your social media platform. So with Canva, a lot of things are customizable, from the colors to the text font to the text size. You could bolden, you could italicize, you could underline some of your text. You could also change the background color. So you could change the background color to purple, you could change it to dark gray, you could make it black if you want it to stand out as your design. You could even use gradients. You could make use of a lot of gradients. Just keep your design simple and to the point. All right, so once you've customized your design enough, all you need to do is just click on save to simply save this design. At the top right corner of your screen, you could simply find the save option, simply download it, and then you can share it as a PNG file to any website or any social media platform you're trying to make use of for your infograph. So guys, it's that simple. And if you want to save time, you could also make use of Canva's magic rights. It's a feature, but it is a pro feature. So make sure you actually have access to some Canva Pro features before you attempt the magic right. All right, guys, that's how you can simply boost your traffic. That's how you can improve your traffic and your audience. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.